So here's a JAP 10 30-piece fuel line quick connector assortment kit. Let's open it. You can see it comes in a plastic container with dividers. Here's different sizes. It does have a variety of sizes for the straight and the 90-degree angle ones. It also includes pipe connectors, so it's also a plus. You know, there's times where I am needing it because these may be brittle and break apart, so this is great. But let's look at the different sizes. Here in the straight one, we can see that we have two different sizes here. So one piece of the 11.8 millimeter times 10 millimeter. So that would probably be the yellow one, and the other two would be the 9.89 millimeter by 8 millimeter. Here's two pieces, and then over here we have the two 7.89, and the other two are the 6.3. Then we have the 90s, different sizes as well, and of course the pipe connectors I mentioned earlier. Always great to have these because you just never know when you might need them. Different sizes, so easy to store.